What is going on, YouTube? The Dividend Stock King here to answer your questions about the stock market and dividends. And here is a snapshot of my dividends. You might see this video posted in the future, but nonetheless, here's the meat and potatoes of the video. Here are my dividends. And the question is, what's the point of dividends? What's the point of it? Dividends is just the profits from the company, and after they pay their bills and whatever, the leftover money goes to the shareholder to say thank you for investing in us. Here's your dividend for investing in us. And that's all it is. The point of the dividend is to attract more buyers, more investors to the company. If I'm a company, I need more people to invest in me. I don't mind, my stock price is $35. I don't mind giving them 10 cents because they'll buy more because they want passive income. Because these people know, who own these companies, they know 9 times out of 10, these people want dividends. They want their cash dividend. I'm not investing in a company just to invest in it. Of course, I want growth over time and I can sell the stock, keep the stock, but I don't get paid a dividend. It's more enticing for someone to pay you a dividend versus not paying a dividend. Okay, so I'm gonna get paid a dividend, and it makes me want to buy more. But also, what they do, they pay you a dividend and they encourage you to reinvest that dividend back into the same stock. So check it out. If my stock price is $35, you give me $35, I give you 10 cents. So you buy three of my shares, you buy three of my pieces of my company, I get $90, you get 30 cents. But then when I pay you 30 cents back and you get it back to me, what am I losing? See, that's what they do with this. That's why they encourage people. That's why they pay a dividend, because they hope for you. And the drip program is built for that. It's built for the company. It's because they want your 30 cent back into the company. And of course, the more shares you buy, the more money you make. So, prime example, Main Street Capital paid me $13.13. What Main Street Capital wants me to do, they pay me the money. They want their money back. So you say, look, if you get the money back to me, you get more ownership of the company. So they're not losing anything. They lose a little bit of ownership, but you get more money back. So that's a point of the dividend. In my eyes, for me, it's passive income coming in every month, every quarter. I'm getting passive income. I don't have to work for it. I don't got to punch a clock, work a side job. I'm gonna get paid that dividend every month, every quarter from Main Street Capital. As you see here, I'm gonna get a dividend of Main Street Capital every single month. Every single month. So I'm happy. I'm getting passive income. The more I buy, the more I get back in return. But they want me to take that $13 and 14 cent, 12 cent, and put it back into the company, which I can do, which was a smart thing to do to, compound interest. But that's the point of the dividend for the investor, like myself and this channel talking about, to get passive income. But for the company, what they really want, because every person online, how long has it been? Every person online tells you the same thing. Do not take your dividends out. Reinvest into the same company. Everyone preaches that. And I do too. I preach that too. And the company wants you to do that because they're not losing no money. Only thing they're losing is some shares of the company. So they want you to reinvest that money back into the company so they have more money. Okay, so that's the point of a dividend on both sides of the aisle. Is I want passive income. I want money coming in my account from holding your shares, but you want to pay me that dividend in hopes that I reinvest that money back into your company. So that's where they do it, and that's the point of the dividend. So thank you for watching my video. And this channel talk about dividend stock investing. We talk about building passive income in the stock market in other ways too. Not the stock market, that's one way. And keep this in mind before I get off. The three ways, the three things that make most millionaires is the stock market, having a business, and real estate. Those are the three main ways you could build wealth in the world. The stock market, having a business, real estate. Keep that in mind. when I'm on this channel making videos about the stock market, encouraging you to go ahead and invest, that's a way that most people have income. This income coming in, I don't have to work for it. So when you have money coming in that you don't have to work for, I have more time now. Cause I'm getting paid every month. Money. All I could do is cut out the BS of spending money, so spending money on this junk over here, and spending money in the world and buying dumb stuff that I don't really need. I could take that same money, invest it in a company, and they'll pay me money every month. And over time, if I do it for 3 to 4, 6 years, imagine you 18 years old and you bought 10 stocks, 5 stocks a week of Main Street Capital for the next 10 years. Do you know how much dividends you start accumulating every month? I mean, you have over 500 shares. You've been making what? I'm not even sure, because 50 shares is what, $10? What, $50, $60 a month? Probably more than that. Every single month. Every single month you're getting that. Ain't got to work for it. You don't got to bag for it. So that's the end of my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like the video, share the video, and I'll see you next time.